So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find listings that offer a rent price special here on Zumper. So once Zumper is opened up, I want you to go to the location and type in your location. So for this example, I will type in New York City. Once the location is selected, I want you to go to the top left here to where it says between pets and highest rated, it says deals. Go ahead and press on the drop down. And if you're looking for a recent price special or whatever, you can go ahead and press on rent special right here. So what this may do is this can now narrow the search that maybe to places that offer, your first month free or free parking or whatever the rent special may be. If you were to go ahead and press on view results right here, you can view listings that offer exactly that. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find listings offering a rent price special on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.